Simplify using identities. Example 3x plus 4 into bracket 3x plus 5. Answer. Here we use x plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab is the formula. Here x value, x is equal to 3x and a is 4 and b is 5 equal to x square. X is 3x whole square plus x x is 3x into bracket a plus b. A is 4 plus b is 5 plus ab. A is 4, b is 5. 4 into 5. 3 square is 9, x square plus 3x into 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 4 5 is 20. 9x square plus 9 3 is 27x plus 20 is answer.